How can PLC programming optimize production cycle times? Imagine a factory where machines work in perfect harmony, moving faster and more smoothly than ever before. That's what effective programmable logic controller programming can do. It's like giving the factory a brain that makes everything run seamlessly. When you program a programmable logic controller, you set up how machines and sensors communicate and react. This means processes happen quickly, without unnecessary delays. It also means the system can adapt instantly if something changes. One way to speed things up is by managing the scan cycle efficiently. The programmable logic controller constantly checks inputs, runs the control program, and updates outputs. If you organize your program into logical sections, it reduces the time it takes for each cycle. For example, reading inputs first, then processing logic, and finally updating outputs keeps things moving fast. This way, the system responds to changes in real time, preventing slowdowns. Using modular programming is another key. Instead of one long, complicated program, you break it into smaller blocks or state machines. These blocks can be reused and tested easily, making the whole process faster. It also makes troubleshooting quicker, so downtime is minimized. Incorporating interrupts and timers helps handle urgent tasks immediately. For instance, if a sensor detects an overheating motor, an interrupt can trigger a cooling process right away. This prevents delays that could slow down the entire production line. Timers can also schedule tasks precisely, ensuring operations happen exactly when needed. Simplifying control logic and choosing efficient programming languages like ladder logic or structured text can speed up execution. Removing unnecessary instructions means the programmable logic controller can process signals faster. Faster processing shortens the cycle time, making production more efficient. Upgrading hardware plays a big role too. Using a programmable logic controller with a faster CPU and more memory allows for complex programs to run smoothly. High-speed input-output modules and Ethernet communication reduce data transfer delays. This means sensors send signals quickly, and control commands reach machines without lag. Real-time monitoring and adaptive control are game changers. If a sensor detects a change in temperature or speed, the programmable logic controller can instantly adjust outputs. This keeps the process running at optimal levels without waiting for manual intervention. It prevents slowdowns and keeps the cycle moving smoothly. Integrating human-machine interfaces allows operators to see real-time data and make adjustments quickly. Well-programmed systems ensure this data exchange does not slow down production. This keeps the process transparent and responsive. Finally, programming the programmable logic controller to detect faults early and trigger alarms or automatic corrections prevents unexpected stops. This proactive approach reduces unplanned downtime and keeps the production cycle flowing without interruption. All these strategies, smart programming, better hardware, and real-time control, work together to make manufacturing faster and more reliable. By tailoring control logic precisely, electrical engineers can help factories produce more in less time, with fewer errors and less waste.